What up? Alright, what up guys? So I just showed up at San Clemente Skate Park. It's like 10 in the morning. I tried to get here before anybody got here, but there's already people here. A couple kids. But Marky just showed up. He's gonna help me film. I'm gonna do a double bike check right now. So this is my BMX bike. It's the Stranger Iron Man. It's my signature frame. This is my Slopestyle bike. It's a black market kill switch. Fu from Epic gave me the frame along with the forks. Carter gave me the front wheels, let me borrow it. And then this is the back wheel from my homie Mitch. I don't know what brand it is. It's just like a complete wheel. And I got some cranks I found at Epic put on, and then some random chain. Then I got brand Bmx seat that he gave me and his handlebars. And my friend Boaz gave me this stem. So this bike is all Frankenstein together, but it's dialed. I like it. But I'm gonna go get some clips now in the skate park on both bikes.
What kind of brakes does it have?
Marky doesn't have any brakes.
Slopestyle bike without brakes, dude.
Yeah, I don't believe in brakes, man. There's too much to work on. It looks way cleaner without them too. Got the ODI long necks on there. I don't know what front tire this is, and I got the stolen back tire. And then my bike's just my bike. How is it?
It's fun, man.
I put some air in the shocks finally, so it should be more dialed.
Oh, you can do those too, yeah?
Yeah, pick up bars.
No way.
That's the bonus about being brakeless. You don't worry about gyro or nothing, or no cables getting tangled. So let's go get some clips on this bike, because switching to that bike is going to make this bike feel weird. This place is pretty fun. I haven't been here in forever though, probably like 3 years maybe. I wonder if I can do some new stuff here. Got some shredders. Scooter guy Kai! I know you made it out today. Marky's gonna take over on filming.
Yeah.
Remember him from the Woodward vlog of Seminuk?
Shredder.
Did a backflip. Maybe you'll do one today, I don't know.
Yeah, right.
Got a couple dead roses laying on my fucking desk. As another little honey finna be laid up on my chest. You think about me, but I just wanna put my ass to rest. One on my mind as I'm taking my last breath. Inhale the nicotine caused by your next that put you through hell. Is there a fucking spell upon me? Seems like I'll never be free from the cuff. We called it love. I broke the trust. I wanted lust, but I wanted us. Indecisive mind of a youngin'. Now I'm lost in time. Lost what's mine. Now I'm watching you. Jealous of who gets to cherish you as I perish through another.
Phew. Alright, as soon as I just did that 3, the cops just showed up or something. I just stashed my bike behind the building right now. I'm waiting for them to leave. Oh, my ankles hurt though. Try to get some clips on the mountain bike right now. I'm switching bikes. As soon as I get okay from Marky, the cops are gone. There they go. So we got some time. Now it's time to bust this thing out. Yeah, it got pretty crowded since we got here. I don't know how much we'll get done right now.
Dylan's back at the car. putting air in his tires. He didn't have enough air. Wasn't going fast enough. Oh yeah, that's hot.
Always inflate your tires at 69 psi. I have no gauge on this one, but I know.
He knows just by feel
Yeah.
exactly what's 69 psi.
That feels good.
No mountain biking at the skate park. Hey man, the hills are that way. All right.
Fuck my anxiety, fuck my depression, and fuck my sobriety. I'm trying to be like Cobain. A needle is deep in my veins. A bullet from my lover straight through my brain. I'm not insane, but society telling me that I'm not one of the same. You living life like it's a game, testing your luck. You stuck in a lifestyle, yo, in the bankrupt.
So end of the session for me today. I'm way too worn out, my ankles are done. I'm shaking, so the camera's probably shaky. I'm gonna head out, go dig in the hills right now with Marky and other homies. So that is it for my bike check. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks Marky for filming.
Always.
And we're out.